Hello there, welcome to this video guide about the accessibility things that the university pays for that you might not know about. So, I'm Alex and this is...
I'm Naomi.
And we are from the skills teams. I'm going to show you the Immersive Reader feature that is in Office 365 in Word. So, what we have here is Office 365 online. It's the Word document. This is a document that I was making generally. So to get to here, go to Udemy. There's the Office 365 tab. So if you click on that, it takes you to this. You can download the apps or you can just use them online. I think using them online is really good because you can use them regardless if you're on whatever computer you're on. So if you want to log into one of the computers in the library, you can do. Your work will be there. If the laptop gets stolen, it will be there. And it also saves you work. So it means that you might not lose work, which is very frustrating.
I have to say I don't use Office 365 as much as I should. I feel like I should use it more.
So to see the Immersive Reader feature, first of all you want to go to View. So if you click on View, that's at the top of the screen, and then you go to Immersive Reader. So this is really good for accessibility because you can actually, yes. Ooh.
Sorry, that's okay. Alex is going to say this in a minute, I'm interrupting because that's what I do. But you can change these settings to what suits you. So when I go onto mine looks nothing like this. I do not find this view helpful, but clearly this is what you like, Alex. This is what's useful for you.
I currently have it set up so that it's on dark mode, which means that it saves my battery. So I have a device that the battery life is amazing on, so I like to save battery. Immersive Reader is really useful because one of the few things it does do by its name is it reads to you. So if you click play, it plays the text back.
9 months I would like to improve.
You just have a play around with the settings. It's really interesting, so if you have a lot of reading to do and you would order to learn, it can be useful to do this. It can also be good to revise with because you can hear back your work. You can change a lot of things, so you can change the text size. You can...
See, so I've got my background green.
Yes.
I'm pointing now, I shouldn't point because you can't see. I've
So
got my
maybe
background
use
green,
this
so it
background
looks
here.
a lot more cheery.
So you can increase or decrease the spacing. You can make the text massive, don't do that. You can make it quite big, and when you go back into the document it does read properly. You can change the font, so I've got it in Comic Sans because it's nice, although most journals will never publish in Comic Sans. I think it's easy to read. If you want to be a bit more Calibri, then there you go, Calibri. You can use all these backgrounds.
Oh, I didn't know you could get all those colours.
There you go, you learn things every day. So I use dark mode, but you can just have like a simple, nice background on it. So yeah, one amazing feature that this has is something called line focus. So if you turn it on, it will focus on lines. Have you ever found it when you're, like I say, you're making notes and you look back up and you're like, where on earth was I? Well, bam, you're in those 3 lines somewhere because you've got it on. Or bam, you're on that line.
I just think it's so useful just to keep that focus when, even if you're not making notes, just when you're reading, if you're reading a really big chunk of text, that can just seem like a lot. Whereas here you've got that focus to keep your mind on track with what you're doing.
So let's say you don't understand what a word means. There is a picture dictionary. This can help you by giving you pictures that can help you understand what the word means. If you're a student whose first language isn't English, you can choose the language. So let's say you want to speak Dutch. Then you can click on the words and it will translate it. Videos probably wasn't the best word, but it will translate it into Dutch for you. So that way you can try your best to read in English, and then if you get a little bit confused, you can just find out. So there's some of the best features on this, and that was just a very quick overview of what this can do. But hopefully you will find that really useful, and hopefully it will help you out with your work.
Yeah, I would say definitely if you think those kind of things might be useful, go in, take a look, play around with all those settings. It will remember the settings. So when Alex went in it remembered all the settings he'd got before. So go in, set it up how it works for you and have a play and see what it can do, see what might be helpful.